Let's get right into it. Money can buy happiness. I said it, I stand behind it, and I stand on it. Money, money, money. If you have it, spend it, right? No. Stop the BS. Cap, false, not true, control, alt, delete. Stop it. Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. This is Everyday Finance and I'm your host, Bobby. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out to watch this video. While you're here, if you like what you see, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you'll get updates on future content and videos similar to what you'll see in today's video. For today's video, we've got a good one for you. We're gonna talk about 5 money myths that exist right now that some people still believe, and we're also gonna debunk them. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Whether it's something you heard from your parents, your grandparents, or through Facebook, Twitter, or social media in general, we all have a money myth that we believe is true. Today, we'll discuss 5 of these and hopefully change your mind about them, or at the very least, make you think a little bit more about it. Money myth number 1, money doesn't buy happiness. Let's start things off with a bang, shall we? Everyone has heard this one. The debate on it is ongoing. And there are a million answers for it, right? Let's get right into it. Money can buy happiness. I said it, I stand behind it, and I stand on it. The biggest question with this myth is, how do you define happiness? For me, happiness is peace of mind. Money can give you happiness when it comes to financial stress, with dealing with bills, work, not having a job, and etc. Imagine all of those things gone with a Thanos snap. Seems peaceful and, dare I say, happy or happier, right? Now, I don't believe this to be true for everyone, as some people define happiness differently. People who come from money haven't had or will have money problems, so they define happiness differently. There are also thresholds for money buying happiness as well. Someone who has $100 million isn't less happy than someone who has $500 million or $1 billion. At a point like this, people are no less happy or more happy by earning more. According to Time Magazine research, the cap for this is $75K. What are your thoughts on this, as well as this myth? Myth number 2, earning more means having more. This is a significant myth. A lot of people believe that having more money will solve their problems, but this isn't true. More money will create more problems, as the Biggie song goes. Without any knowledge or plan on keeping your expenses the same or close to the amount they currently are, you'll just be playing leapfrog, where your expenses increase with your earnings and you're perpetually stuck in the same spot regardless of how much you earn. Earning $1 million a year doesn't mean much if you're spending all of it. Myth number 3. Having cash in a bank is the best way to build wealth and become rich. Cap, false, not true, control, alt, delete. Stop it. This is one of the biggest money misconceptions, and it's still alive today. You will never become rich or wealthy just by placing money in a bank. If this were the case, there would be so many more millionaires, billionaires, and banks. Think about it. If it were this easy, everyone would do it, right? Think about your money as a soldier in the army. You want your money to be a recruiter to go out to find other money and make them work for you too. You won't become rich, wealthy, or wealthier until you make your money work for you and earn money regardless of what you do. Instead of overloading your bank account, invest those funds into something that can become an asset for you and earn money for you outside of your normal job. That way you can use it as a tool to push you into the next level of earnings. Assets mean more for your overall worth than cash does, and it'll also earn you more. Ever hear people describe the rich by how much cash they have? No, you hear them described by their worth or net worth, which almost always includes assets that have a cash value. Ownership and assets are a bigger tool for earning than having money in the bank will ever be. Myth number 4, cash is king. Some people believe it's better to pay with cash for everything because credit cards and loans will ruin your life and your credit. Money, money, money. If you have it, spend it, right? No. Stop the BS. Cash isn't king. Credit is. You want to have cash or liquidity as a reassurance should you run into a bind or an emergency situation. But the rule of thumb is always, and I mean always, leverage credit and keep your cash. For an example, charge something using your credit card or get a loan, but have the assets in place to pay it back. This allows you to spend other people's money or the bank's money while keeping your own. Leveraging is the best way to maintain balance between having credit and cash on hand. Money myth number 5, my emergency fund should be in a savings account. Here's a big one. Similar to the old adage of go to school and a job will be waiting on me, this one is no longer true as well. There was a time you'd see 4 or even 8% on savings accounts, but that time is past and it doesn't look like it's coming back. Right now, the best interest rate you'll find out there is around 1.04%, and that's the absolute best. Inflation right now is around 3.1%. With that, you're losing more money than you're earning, leaving your emergency fund in a savings account. An emergency fund is money that you'll nearly never need to touch. While it's sitting in your savings account, that money is earning money for the bank as they loan it out and earn interest off of it. But you're not earning money off of it. You're actually losing money. Your emergency fund is better suited being placed in an investment where it can earn you money. If you have the proper balance between cash and credit, when an emergency strikes, you can use your credit cards to supplement what you need in cash until you can get liquid, which typically takes around 3 days through most investment firms. Guys, in today's video, we covered 5 money myths that people still believe today. What are your thoughts on these myths? Do you have a difference of opinion? Was there something that we left off that you feel is a part of these myths as well? Leave a comment below and let us know your opinion. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you'll get updates on content on future videos similar to this video. Also, if you want to look at previous videos that we've covered, check out our YouTube page or check out our website at www.everyday2finance.com. There you can see blog posts based on the content that we've placed here, as well as all of the videos as well. As always, guys, there is no goal that is unattainable when you apply everyday finance. I'll see you guys in the next video.